This is one of the cheapest and affordable accommodation if you are in Colon, Cebu City. This is Alimar Budget Inn. The price of this inn is just only about 600 pesos per 12 hours. So like me, last night, I don't want to go home and I just want to sleep somewhere else like this one. And I just want to show you this because maybe you are not from Cebu, maybe you are in Cebu but you are looking for a place that a short-term stay and you are tight in your budget, and if you are looking for a place nga affordable ra, and I think you can try to check this one. This is only 600 pesos for 12 hours. So this is like a studio type area, and then naman sad sila they have also single room, good for single person or single stay. It's only 400 pesos for 12 hours, but this one I don't like that one kay gamay ra kaayo sad. And this one is good for two. Yeah, the interior is not that really what do you call this, the kanang nice kayong mga interior ba or na mga furnitures, but it's really good kung you are tight sa budget. Then air condition na sad siya, tapos naa na siya TV, and then you have bitayanan sa imong sanina dire. Affordable na gyud kay siya. And naa na sad siya key card na sad ang access, key card din naa na sad siya 1 CR. And ang building is, I think it's up to 7 floor because this unit is located in 5th floor, and naa sad siya elevator. And ang location niya is naagid siya sa center sa Cebu City. Like this one, na kay balcony diya. And actually dool at bang ana ka ng school is UC, and that is Metro already. That's Metro and McDonald's, and it's very close sa Metro Colon Mall. So this is Colon Street. That street is Colon Street. I think the oldest street in the whole Philippines is the Colon Street. So affordable ra gyud kayo ang accommodation. If you are coming from the province, other province like Negros, Bohol, or any province sa Philippines nga, and then you want to go sa Cebu, and then you are budgeting, and then I think you can try to visit this one. The name of this inn is Alimar. I will show you because they have here their name, then they have their house rules. Wait, it's not there. Alimar, yeah, Alimar Budgetel. Yeah, Alimar Budgetel. And it's really affordable, you know. Maybe you want to visit Cebu and then you want you just want to get accommodation nga very affordable lang sa inyong pocket, then you can try this one, the Alimar Budgetel. And then this is already good for 2 people. And I think ang ilahang okay naman, dili man siya katulsad, it's not itchy. I think ilabhan magyud nila. Okay naman. So sa ako kay wala man, I am in Cebu but I decided to sleep somewhere lang last night. And wala lang, it's just one I want to sleep somewhere lang dili sa balay. And then this is the actually this is not my first time here. This one I think it's opened a year 2017 or 16. Yeah, 2016-17 because the first time nga ni open ni ang kaning Alimar, I remember gyud nya I was 24 years old man siguro that time. katong first gid ni siya nga open, dili pa ni siya nice kay ni siya sa una, painted, nice painted karon kay dili na wala kay siya na maintenance na siya mga crack diya, pero ang ano ani sa una nice good kay ni siya kay kanang ang paint pa very fresh, and then ang mga furniture very fresh sad, dili sad siya di man nga nanay mga damage mga ano. Sa una kay ang price dire kay barato rato. I remember ang single ato sa una, single room, it's only 300 pesos per 12 hours, and this one is karon kay ang kanang 300 it becomes 400 na, 400 pesos per 12 hours. And then I just want to show you the CR. So do not expect luxury ha, do not expect ano na kanang bati ang room kay barato raman sad siya, it's only 600 pesos ra take. And then this is the CR. Nasa siya, you don't have the water heater but you have that shower, and then nakay mirror diha, then you have laboratory. Anak kanang yana, dili siya fancy, something fancy, pero it's good na for the people nga tight sa budget nga ganahan ka maglaag-laag ba sa Cebu. And then, ang location niya again, it's in Colon Street. It's in Colon Street in front of the Super Metro Mall. In front of Super Metro Mall, and then naasad siya McDonald's na, ay McDonald's dito. Kato McDonald's, then ang front ana sa McDonald's is Super Metro Mall. Kana. Then kani nga street, this one nga street is ano ni siya kanang Colon Street. Kana Colon Street na siya. And then kani is Osmeña Boulevard. And then dito is kanang padong na siya sa UV, University of the Visayas. And then dere kanang front ana kato University of Cebu. So do lagi siya, then kung dire mas straight ka dire is padong na sa USGR, University of San Jose Recoletos. So nakay window dire, ganahan nimo i-open nimo window. Nga na siya. Not fancy but it's very affordable. And I think on my other video, I want to make other video because normally I stay in Palmgrass Hotel, and nice kayo dito kay kanang it's also affordable pero fancy kay nindot ang mga furnitures, then nasa sila yung hotel, restaurant sa ilahang lobby, tapos naadsa sila yung roof deck nga na ay na kay pwede kayo kan so na small area dito nga na ay salt water nga pwede ka maka-plunge. Then naasad sila yung bar sa taas og disco, not disco, videoke or karaoke ba or band in weekend. So on my other video, I want to make video sa Palmgrass Hotel. I am always there, so ko dito kay I'm always buying cakes there. Every time I have needed nga cake kay I order cakes dito sa Palmgrass. But for this time, I just want to show you this one, the Alimar Budgetel. Again, ang name ani kay Alimar Budgetel. So do not bash if dili nice ang ang room kay barato man sad siya. And I think although barato siya, dili man sad siya hugaw. It's not dirty man kaayo, no? Okay naman, maintain man siya, although nga ang paint niya dili na kayo nga good, din ang ihang dia is na ay mga crack, pero okay naman kay barato ra lagi. So you can stay here sa Cebu if you're searching for a place cheap, affordable, and you can try. We will try to go out, no? We will try. Na may tao din. Try lang. I will show you long that. Yeah, that's the whole way. Yeah, that's the whole way outside. There. Ana siyang hallway. Pero wala naman. That's the whole way. Okay na, di ba? So come to Cebu if you are on a budget, then this place I think it's for you. Affordable. It's located in Colon, Cebu City. Kung dili mo familiar, doon lagi kayo siya, atbang ra gyud siya sa Super Metro Colon. Then ang atbang sa Super Metro Colon kay McDonald's. Ano siya, within the center ra gyud siya sa Colon. So dali ra kayo na siya dumdumon. Alimar, ang pangalan is Alimar Budgetel. See? Affordable. It's only 600 pesos for 12 hours. So, nag-check-in ko. Ang check-in nila is dili the same in a hotel nga ma-check-in ka by 2 p.m. and then ma-check out ka by sorry. Mo-check-in ka by 2 p.m. then mo-check out ka by 12. This one is lahi. Mo check-in ka by example gabi ni check-in ko by 12 and then I will go out by 12 because ang counting nila is per 12 man 12 hours ang rate, then 12 hours ang stay. So ni check-in ko last night kay 12 kay I was coming in IT Park and I decided nga mo sleep lang ko, di ba na tripping ko lang, I just want to sleep lang dire. Although nga pwede naman ako mo ulit pero I try lang. So again, this is Alimar Budgetel and ang purpose ani I just want to show you lang the area na kay balcony diha. So you at least you have an idea of what you can get in your 600 pesos for 12 hours stay in Colon Street, Cebu City. And this is Alimar Budgetel. I think I will just stick. Again, for more video around sa Cebu, I think I'm going to na sa akong YouTube, no? So please follow me and please subscribe to my channel and please share this video to your basin your friends is looking for a place or ikaw mismo you are looking for a place, affordable place sa Cebu, and then this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe, please comment, and thank you so much. Og have a great day, have a great night sa inyong tanan. Thank you so much and God bless you all. Bye bye.